How much do you like Kriti Sanon? A lot?
A lot.
A lot. People from Bandra are now going to Bhiwandi to hang out. Because they are like, highway pe to dug up nahi hai. You know you look like Mahesh Babu, right?
What?
Yeah,
Thank you for the compliment. Like,
Sir, aapse baat nahi kar rahi hu. I'm so sorry. Are you feeling the fizz, Ankita?
Yes.
So I'm in Japan and we're on a food tour. क्योंकि वहाँ का खाना समझ नहीं आता ना क्या जिंदा होगा. Do you guys want to tell us something about your fandom for Kriti perhaps?
Great fan. That's
Great
it.
fan. You're like मैं खुद की तारीफ करूँगी. बढ़िया.
You too.
Oh. When you want to go to the loo, you have to change your clothes and then go to Bastion and be like, I'd like a table. And then when they give you a table, go to the loo, come back and say, I got a call. And then you leave. That's how it happens in Bombay. Wow, what enthusiasm. I live for this. Thank you. Is my fly open? Everyone's looking. This is so great. It's not awkward for a woman, really. For men, usually it is. Women, speaking of women, that's my mother. Thank you. And her friends. This is amazing. That's also Lily, who I really love. Thank you so much for coming. Hi, thank you. I'm Rohini and I host a show on Film Companion and it's my absolute privilege to be at Film Companion. It might be yours as well to be here at Front Row. Are you excited to be here? That's great. But this is a new bunch. How many of us have been here at a Front Row before? Oh ho, पुराने पापी तो दिख गए मुझे. कैसे हैं आप लोग? बढ़िया. Whose first time is it at Film Companions Front Row? Oh, so it's a good fun mix. Okay, so you have no idea what to expect, right? You have no idea कि मैं क्यों आई हूँ, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मेरा कोई म्यूजिक क्यों नहीं बज रहा है ना? कोई बात नहीं, मुझे ये शोशा की जरूरत नहीं है. I am enough. है ना? ये Gen Z tattoo, any Gen Z's in the house? Put your hands up. Yeah. Cute. Nice. Great. है ना? टैटू करवाना चाहिए ना हमको. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. Great. आइए sir, I'm no stand-up comic. I will not make fun of you. Please sit at your own time. Don't worry. Hi guys. How's it going? Good? कहाँ से आए आप लोग? Bandra only and you're late. This is great. But I can understand. Is there even one road in Bandra right now which is not dug up? It's crazy, dude. People from Bandra are now going to Bhiwandi to hang out. Because they're like, highway pe to dug up nahi hai. It's horrible. It's just horrible. It's also tough for people who are, hi. Yeah, hi guys. Good looking people. आइए. You know you're good looking, you can do anything. यहाँ से आइए, वहाँ से जाइए, कोई बात नहीं. Great. Hi Rahul. कैसे आप? ठीक हो? Great. He's so awkward. He's like, आपने मेरा नाम क्यों लिया? That's Rahul. Look at him right there. Rahul Chaudhary RC. Yeah, he doesn't like attention. Give him a clap. Okay, great. So we're all a very fun bunch. We're at Film Companion. We try and bring you the best conversations. Front Row is an attempt to do that. And today, of course, you're here to see. झूठ तो बोलो you, Rohini, you. You thank. एक औरतें ही होती हैं. There are only women who do this. Thank you. It means so much to me. So you know what? Oh, is that you, Anushka? Oh my God. A good actor and also here to support. Thank you so much. Beautiful actor. Thank you so much. That's so kind of you. So what we do here is we also give out a couple of prizes and have a lot of fun. If you've been here before, you know what to do. You raise your hand, we ask you a question, or we ask you a question, then you raise your hand, and you win wonderful hampers. And today's hampers, of course, are coming to you by Appy Fizz. Can you give them a round of applause, please? Thank you. Appy Fizz presents FC Front Row. What was the last film that you saw her? Which film did you see her last in? Crew, right? She was so good. She's having a good time. She's having a good season. Did you see her in the one before this as well? Yeah, I love it. She's playing a robot and we're okay with it. This is amazing. However, I must point out, what does an Indian man do when he figures he has a female robot? The first thing. He's like, ये दोनों हाथों से खाना बना सकती हैं. I was like, that's not leaving our films, is it? But Kriti's having a great year. I think she's doing really well. Who's truly a crazy Kriti fan? Oh, wonderful. बाकी के लोग क्यों आए फिर? Appy Fizz के लिए? आपके, oh God, stop it. Okay, the 3 people I paid. Thank you so much. Who is that big Kriti Sanon fan? Please put your hands up. Hi. Great, awesome. So we'll try and give you guys some prizes, all right? Food and beverage consumption is not allowed in the auditorium. Mama. क्योंकि मेरी माँ हर जगह इडली लेके जाती है. And podis. She has a bag. I'm so scared. I'm sure it's full of idlis there. Yeah? आप लोग सब एक साथ आए हो? You all are from a group. The Filmi Guftagu group, right? Woo! I love it. You know, that's the power of cinema and it unites people. You all don't know each other, then you let each other into each other's homes. Don't do that. हम बोले meet up कर रहे हैं. I'm like, मम्मा कोई कुछ चुरा के ले जाएगा? No. She's like, no. We are not like that. Okay, great. But it's cute. I think cinema has the power of bringing people together. And I truly think we enjoy that when we come together. Watching movies in the theater is amazing. And of course, now, because of OTT, you're watching it at home. Yeah? Are you watching, ma'am? Yes. How are you feeling? How are you doing? You know, you look lovely, right? Yeah? Have you been told this today? No. These men are just failing as men. Oh, don't look at her. That's just awkward. But yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to ask you questions. And if you answer the question, then we'll give you an amazing hamper from Appy Fizz. Where are my Appy Fizz friends? Y'all are only him? Not you. She's probably the boss. She's like, ye jayega leke sare hamper. Hamper dikha do ek baar. Kafi cool hai. Wow, that's cool. That's amazing. Thank you. Yeah, man. I think we should give it up for sponsors. You know why? Because they got money. Okay, great. I like money. Yeah. हाल ही में विद्या बालन ने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था ना, I love money. आपको पता है क्यों? हाँ, who doesn't? I'm thinking hard at this point for that answer. Not everybody admits to it though. Like, I want to give the chance to that girl there because when I asked, this side, who is a Kriti fan, that's you. Hi, ma'am. There'll be a mic coming to you.
Hi, my name is Ankita.
Hi, Ankita. How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Where did you come all the way from to see Kriti?
Actually, I stay in Bandra and and I'm from Delhi basically, and I stay in Bandra.
Oh, okay. That's 2 places, that are very cool. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone's like, what is she saying? What is she saying about Delhi? That's amazing. I want to ask you a simple question. If you answer, then we know that you're really a big fan. Okay. And then you get that Appy Fizz hamper. Okay?
Okay.
All the best. Ankita, right?
Yeah. Okay,
Ankita, this is your question. What is the name of Kriti Sanon's production house?
Blue Butterfly Film.
Woo! Congratulations! Appy Fizz! This is called Feel the Fizz. Are you feeling the fizz, Ankita? Just say yes. Good.
Yes.
All right. That was fun. Everybody saw how that happened. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. Now, how many of you are Kriti Sanon fans? सबके हाथ ऊपर चले गए. Well done. मेरी माँ के दोनों हाथ चले गए. She रखती तो मुझे hamper. Great. This is an interesting one. It's a tough one actually. So let's have someone. Hands up again, please. Wonderful. Red t-shirt. Love your vibe. We're going to give you a mic. Hang on. Yes, sir. आपका क्या नाम है?
Deepak.
Hi, Deepak. जी आप बैठ सकते हैं. You don't have to stand. Don't worry about it. What do you do, Deepak?
I'm a freelancer basically into post-production. So I'm into editing only. Yep.
So you're also part of the movies.
Yes.
That's lovely. Any film that you worked on recently that we should know of?
Recently, actually, I'm hunting for a job only. So previous my works, like I've worked on Roadies, Splitsvilla.
Lovely. Fantastic. That's amazing. Big hand. I think it's amazing.
Thanks.
To come in this city and trying to make a living, that's all of us, right? Yeah. Without falling into, streets of Bandra. I think it's amazing. You made it here, guys. It's a reality show. Bandra mein hum cheeze rakh rahe hain. If you make it, you already winner. Remember that.
Yeah.
Okay? Great.
Thanks.
This is not an easy question. I'll be honest with you.
Only one chance?
Only one chance.
Okay.
I have only a couple of questions.
Okay.
All right. So here's my question to you. Are you South Indian?
No.
Damn it. Okay. So you have to be these days. Pan India,
Yeah.
All right. You have to tell me if you know the answer to this,
Sure.
what was Kriti Sanan's first ever South film? Shh. See, either you know it or you don't know it. And if you don't know it, it's okay. There's a man behind you who's raised his hand. See, if you don't know it, you can't guess.
It's
Sir, अगर नहीं आता तो नहीं आता.
Nenu something.
Wow. Okay, he's trying. He's on the path. Yes.
Nenu Gandhi something.
You know what? I'll give it to him. I think it's fair. Yeah, yeah. How did you know this?
Because I'm a big fan of Kriti Sanon.
Oh man,
And
this
I
is so lovely.
completely- I
Do you
do
want to
watch
tell
all
him
the
the
movies.
pronunciation, the right pronunciation, since you look a little like Mahesh Babu?
Possible, yeah.
नेनुक का दिन है आई थिंक
Yeah,
कुछ
something
भी
like
नहीं आता,
that.
किसी को नहीं आता.
नेनुक का
Nenu ka din hai, yeah.
Nenu Kadine. Yeah, it's fantastic. That's great. But you know you look like Mahesh Babu, right?
What?
Yeah, he's a handsome man.
Oh, yeah.
Namrata
Thank you.
Shirodkar married that
Thank you
guy.
for the compliment. Like,
सर आपसे बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं so sorry. आपके पीछे जो हैं मैं उनको बोल रही हूँ तब
mic
से.
मेरे हाथ में दबा दूंगी.
This is a comedy show, guys. It's a comedy show. It's so much fun. So we'll give you the prize, and
Thank you
if
so
you'll be kind, then maybe you'll share something with the Mahesh Babu lookalike behind you. Okay?
Sure, sure.
Great. Hi, you can come, sir. I don't want to treat you like a nameless, faceless person. What's your name? Mohit. Mohit. Please give him the amazing Happy Fizz hamper. Amazing. Feeling
Thank you,
the
Mohit.
fizz. Oh, गिरा दिया.
Sorry.
गिर गया. Great. Amazing. Maybe you want to share it with him at the back. So sweet. Great. Awesome. Fun film, yeah? That was a cool film. Okay, next. Yes, ma'am. If you wear yellow and put your hand up, obviously you're going to attract attention. Yes. ये hamper आपको मैं ऐसे ही दे दूंगी.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, here's a bunch of questions actually.
Okay. Hello.
I really want to know, before people come to this front row, because they know there's going to be a quiz, do actually people go through the stars, Wikipedia and all and then come?
Hans.
ऐसे मत करो यार. Because these are very Wikipedia question, okay? Did you go through a Wikipedia before you came here? You did? आपको बताना है, where did Kriti Sanon get her bachelor's degree from? Where? If you know the answer and if she doesn't, you know what to do, raise your hand. And in which field did she graduate in?
Okay. She graduated bachelor's in technology and Delhi University.
I'll give it to you actually, because she did graduate in Bachelor of Technology in Electronics.
Electronics. Yeah. And telecommunications. Yeah.
And say after me again. JP Institute of Information Technology. Do you want to say that? That was so much fun. What's your name, ma'am?
Yogita Sawant.
Yogita, you're stunning and I really love what just happened. So congratulations.
Same here. Thank you.
Mohit will give you the Happy Fizz hamper. This is so much fun. Awesome.
Thank you.
again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Love being called ma'am as well. It's lovely. So much respect. You know, it's amazing how in this country there are so many people who call you ma'am. And then you go out on the street, the next second, people are like, shh. समझ ही नहीं आता इंसान को इसकी इज्जत के लेवल क्या है ना? It happens so often. Hut, fuck. It's crazy. All right, who's next? Okay, great. Good looking boy. है ना? You get it. He knows I'm talking about him only. Nice. ये confidence चाहिए मुझे. क्या तुम Gen Z हो? Of course तुम Gen Z हो.
Yeah, sort of.
Sort of. कब पैदाइश है आपकी? कब की पैदाइश है आपकी?
2003.
2003. Definitely Gen Z. What was the greatest film that released in the year that you released?
Need to ask my parents.
No, come on. Come on, yeah. कौन सी फिल्म थी जिस साल तुम रिलीज हुए थे? हिंदुस्तान की सबसे बड़ी पिक्चर कौन सी थी? Is it? जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी. Google ना somebody. Google. Doom. कोई मिल गया?
Bye, Saab.
Buddy, you were born the year Jadoo was a phenomenon.
They knew.
It's insane. It's a legend of Bhagat Singh. But I think Jadoo is a better example. Yeah, do you know Jadoo?
Yeah.
तुम्हारे बचपन की पिक्चर है. Great. Fun. This is what's your name?
Harsh Yadav.
Hi Harsh. I'm going to ask you a question. Are you ready?
Yes.
How much do you like Kriti Sanon? A lot?
A lot.
A lot. Great.
lot.
Amazing. After this, I will tell you one story just for free. Everybody. Okay? Please ask me about my story in Japan. Are you ready? Yeah? I'll tell you. Okay, great. आपको मुझे बताना है कि if Kriti Sanon is a great dancer, do you agree?
Yeah.
She was so damn good in that.
Any song, यार. तुमकेश्वरी.
Yeah,
हाँ,
and
तेरी बातों में,
ठुमकेश्वरी.
हाँ,
सारे
yeah.
गाने बोल रहा है ये. बहुत बड़ा fan है. Yeah, ठुमकेश्वरी as well. You tell me, what is the dance form that Kriti is actually trained in? Shh. Everybody else keep quiet. This hamper I want to take.
Hip hop. No.
I'll give you a clue.
Okay.
It's a classical Indian dance form that she's trained in. She's a trained dash dancer.
Bharatnatyam.
No, yaar. Sorry. I can't give it to you, but there's a girl behind you with 2 hands raised. And I think I should give it to her, the girl next to her. Are you guys both together though? Yeah. So I'll give it to that general direction. You all will share this hamper? Yes? Yes, ma'am.
Should I stand up?
No, if you want to.
Okay.
It's a free world.
Okay. Kathak.
Kathak is the right answer. Well done. Hi. What's your name?
Shikha Soni.
Shika, well done. That was fantastic.
Thank
And
you.
your friend next to you, what's her name?
Tisha.
Hi, Shika and Disha. Do you guys want to tell us something about your fandom for Kriti, perhaps?
Great fan. That's
Great
it.
fan. You're like, मैं खुद की तारीफ करूंगी. I am a great fan. है ना? है ना? बहुत बढ़िया.
You too.
Oh, the girls.
Big fan.
Thank you. That means the world to me. That means the world to
Thank
me.
you.
Thank you. Please, Mohit. Mohit will give them the hamper because they totally deserve it. Give it up for them. Who wants to know the story? Shall we tell you a story about my travels in Japan recently? Would you like to hear it? Free. No money I'm charging. Anybody wants to know the story? Oh, come on. Who said no? Who said no? Yeah. You can leave. It's a free world. No, I'm not telling you general direction I'm talking. Because if men had guts, at least they'd own up to it. छुप के आवाज बुलंद करने में कोई दिलेरी नहीं है. है ना? Anyway. Also the mic is in my hand. It's been many, many years since women have got that time and space to speak. And I intend to make full use of it every chance I get. So I'm in Japan and we're on a food tour. क्योंकि वहाँ का खाना समझ नहीं आता ना. क्या जिंदा होगा. तुम गए हैं. और जब आप बहुत खाना खा लेते हो तो आपको बहुत टट्टी भी लगती है. तो मेरी फूड टूर गाइड ने मुझसे कहा कि देखो when you're in a foreign country you must know where the best toilets are. So I said I completely agree because in Bombay we don't have that option. We have to pretend like we're going into Bastion, right? है ना? उसके लिए नए कपड़े खरीदने पड़ते हैं. Okay, when you want to go to the loo, you have to change your clothes and then go to Bastion and be like, I'd like a table. And then when they give you a table, go to the loo, come back and say, I got a call. And then you leave. That's how it happens in Bombay. Anyway, so we get there. And she takes me to a gaming arcade because she's like, यहाँ की सबसे अच्छी toilet gaming arcade में है. और सबसे high tech वाली toilet. So we're like, okay, let's go to this place. We go inside. And then she's like, आप जाइए, अपना काम करके आइए. I'm inside the bathroom. It's fantastic. It's so clean. I'm just like, I could eat a food tour from this floor. It's that clean, guys. It's unbelievable. So I'm in the loo. I do my job. Yeah. She's literally laughing. She's like, where's the story going? I want to know. I've done my job. Have you ever seen a Japanese loo? There are only buttons. Except everything in this high-tech loo was written in Japanese. I'm now trying to figure this out. I've taken out my phone, Google Translate. I'm like, you know what? I need to figure this out. कुछ भी translate नहीं कर रहा है into flush. Okay? Okay, it's got everything else. Now I'm obviously very stressed. I'm like, what do I do? What do I do? Vanisha, what do I do? It's an awkward situation. I call my friends outside. My friends are like, ऐसे हो गया? रहने दे, आजा. I was like, नहीं, हिंदुस्तानियों का नाम ऐसे ही तो बिगाड़ते लोग. लोग क्या कहेंगे कि एक इंडियन लड़की आई थी, उसने फ्लश नहीं किया और वो चली गई. So it's very tough, guys. And I know that some of you might be uncomfortable with this story at this point, but I want to share this because आप भी तरक्की करेंगे, आप भी जापान जाएंगे, आपको भी टट्टी आएगी, और जिस दिन आप ऐसे इग्लू में जाओगे, आप मुझे याद करोगे, है ना? फोन करेंगे, great. So at this point, we have absolutely no option. So I call my tour guide because I'm like, तू रहती है ना यहाँ पर, तू बता. तो आके खड़े रहती है बाहर और कहती है कि there is a whirlpool sign. Okay? And I was like, oh my God, yes, of course there is. She's like, just press that, you'll be fine. This whole ordeal though took 15 minutes for her to come. So 15 minutes, it was me and my shit dealing with this. I have never felt happier in my life to press a button and then, of course, be done with it. But it taught me something that day, that all of us need to take responsibility for our own baby. At least something came out of it. I was like, this is a great life lesson. You know, I have to figure this out. And I really just wanted to share this amazing story with you guys. That's about it. Okay, great. We have one more hamper to give. Let's do it. Okay, who's going to answer this? Sir, you. Yes. No, Tawanya. Am I? What? This gentleman. He raised his hand. Hi, sir. What's your name? Varun. Hi, Varun. All the best to you. You have to tell me, what phobia did Kriti overcome for the film Rabta?
I'm not sure, but maybe fear of water.
Absolutely right. Being underwater. That's amazing. This one goes to you. And do we have time? Do we have some more time? Say yes or no. Okay, great. So in that case, give me that hamper. Yeah? Come here. Mohit, come here. Okay, give it to this wonderful woman here in this Jamdani yaar. I think it's lovely. You came up only. I said, come here. I said, bheg dena. I said, thak karke. No, ma'am, but we're just kidding. But it was so much fun, guys.